Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect IMOU Ranger2 to an iPhone. First, you need to install IMOU Live app, which can be found in the App Store. So install that. I can open it already because I've installed it to save time. And now click on Got It. Then agree to notifications if you want, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Now you can log in or sign up. I'm gonna sign up, select country or region. I'm gonna select my region. Then you need to enter an email and a password. So I'm gonna do it. No, actually, this one. Then a password, I'm gonna do it off camera. Then click on Go Further. And now a verification code has been sent to my email. So I'm gonna quickly just find that. Okay, I have it on another phone. And there is my verification code, so I can type it in. Then go further. Now you can subscribe to the email newsletter. I'm gonna click on Not Now. Then I'm gonna allow to find devices on local networks. And I'm gonna allow tracking. Then click on OK. And now you can set the standard or advanced homepage. I'm gonna set advanced, then click on next. And you can customize the live view. And I'm also gonna set it to advanced. Then click on done. Then you can join the user experience plan. Let's click on join. And now we can work on the camera. So you should insert an SD card, micro SD card that's sold separately. To do it, move the camera lens all the way upwards until you see this SD card slot, and you can put an SD card in here. Okay, and here at the back you can plug in the micro USB cable that's included in the box, or just any other one that you may have. And here you can see an Ethernet port, so you actually can plug in an Ethernet instead of using Wi-Fi, so it's up to you. You can see that this light starts lighting up, so it's fine. Now I'm gonna place my camera in here. And let's click on Add Device. Then I'm gonna click on OK. Allow for the camera. And now you need to scan the QR code, which is at the bottom of your camera. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I've scanned it. Then you can see that when it slowly flashes green, you can click on next. Then click on enable, and I'm gonna allow while using the app for location. Then click on OK, and now select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect your camera with. So so you need to use 2.4 GHz network. I'm gonna use the one I'm currently connected to, and just type in the password so it can be communicated to the camera. And I'm gonna remember the password, then click on next. Now it asks me to join the camera's own network, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And let's see if it connects. If it doesn't connect itself, you can always just connect through settings. So you can just go to settings of your iPhone and go to Wi-Fi, and then connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. Now I'm successfully connected. I can rename my device in here, and I can select what would I like to use this device for. I'm not gonna select anything. I think I can proceed, yes. Then I can start a free trial of IMOU Protect, which will give me some cloud storage and some things else. So I'm gonna skip that actually and click on give up. Then it asks me to modify the device password, and I'm gonna do that because it's just recommended. So now I need to set the password. Or no, I'm gonna skip that actually. And the device is done. I can just click on update or not now. Then it asks me for a free trial. I'm gonna click on not now, and this device is ready to be used. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.